And hello, greetings. So, as you can see, the price is dropping. Those 24 hours. So, it has broken one of these trend lines here, the regular trend lines. So, as long as it stays under, so since it broke this trend line, I created the upper declining trend line from the last max to the current max. I'll probably just adjust this here. It broke that a little bit, so that's what it would be, like this. And so as long as it continues dropping and doesn't go against this this line, then it should be okay. I can now put stops there. That would be that obviously is that's not a good risk reward. So I'll want to see that drop as soon as possible. So these are the polarities. As you can see that it's if it drops under this polarity, that's also going to be a good sign. So then we'll have this polarity as a resistance and then this as a resistance. Then I'll expect it to drop under this polarity too and under this polarity. So as for trend lines and polarities, regular trend lines and polarities, it is now in a downtrend, and it should be now targeting these averages. So usually when I have a slope like this, this is a 1 day slope average, then it will spend the day trying to reach that, but it won't be able to because it's too steep. So, and that's what happened is we had 24 hours, especially the New York session, decided that that average target is too steep. So, and it has to average out to these other prices anyway. So really what it's doing is averaging out the price. So it couldn't average out the price to yesterday. So it used, in the New York session, it used its volume to target the longer time frame averages, and that's what it's doing right now. So this is the 5 day average. So it's going to currently target that. Probably today in the next 24 hours, you'll see it target that, and then it'll have this one left, which is the daily. This is a very long range average, and then it's got to average out to these other time ranges as well, or below that daily average. So most of the pressure to average out is under a very long time frame average. That's very good. So that's very good. So I would expect this to go, I believe it'll probably drop about 250 points. And you can see that the average of this right here is about 500 pips. So the midpoint of that is also about 250. So at least it's going to hit this daily, probably hit these soon after, and I could adjust it, or I could just leave it until it hits this this hourly average. So that's what's going on with the euro dollar. And in the UJ USD JPY, we see that same thing happened yesterday. Yesterday when it wanted to go to the average, to yesterday's average, and then it went to the about a 3-month average. So now that it's hit yesterday's average and the 3-month average, now it will go up and hit the weekly average and the other ones. I believe this is about a business quarter average and what is this? Monthly average and a 3-month average. So everything's pretty much, and you see we've also got this this daily average here, which is about 1 year. So all the averages for the USD JPY are pointing up, and so that's what we're seeing. It's averaged out of yesterday, and some of the short-term averages. So it's going to now target these long-term averages, which is about It's also about 400 and 750 pips, so it's got a lot of movement to do to the upside. We're going to see at least this target, and that's why I do have that as a target. Okay, that's it for today.